The Ugly Duckling. Mommy Duck lived on a farm. In her nest, she had 5 little eggs and 1 big egg. One day, the 5 little eggs started to crack. Tap, tap, tap. 5 pretty yellow baby ducklings came out. Then, the big egg started to crack. Bang, bang, bang. 1 big ugly duckling came out. That's strange, thought Mommy Duck. Nobody wanted to play with him. Go away, said his brothers and sisters. You're ugly. The ugly duckling was sad, so he went to find some new friends. Go away, said the pig. Go away, said the sheep. Go away, said the cow. Go away, said the horse. No one wanted to be his friend. It started to get cold. It started to snow. The ugly duckling found an empty barn and lived there. Then spring came. The ugly duckling left the barn and went back to the pond. He was very thirsty and put his beak into the water. Wow, he said. Who's that? It's you, said another beautiful white bird. Me? But I'm an ugly duckling. Not anymore. You're a beautiful swan like me. Do you want to be my friend? Yes, he smiled. All the other animals watched as the 2 swans flew away friends together.